Hey friends, it's Lisa. Today we're going to be talking about something a little different than guns. We're going to be testing out a car auto rescue tool. One thing I do have at every seat in my car, front, driver, passenger, and my back two seats, is a car auto rescue tool, window breaker and seatbelt cutter. And StatGear was kind enough to send me this one, so we're going to be testing it out today. Kind of. So this is the StatGear TE Auto Rescue Tool. That's what it looks like. Disclaimer, I am not a knife expert. And I'm also not a tool expert, which is actually the purpose of me doing this little demo for you today. But just by looking at this, I couldn't tell you if it works or not. I have literally no clue. Zero. So in addition to the knife, it's got this right here that flips out. It's a seatbelt cutter right there. And we've got this. Also has a little flashlight. Cool. So Lisa, how are we gonna test a window breaker? Do you have a car window to break? No, I do not have any tempered glass windows laying around to break, but I do have some Pyrex plates. And Pyrex is also made out of tempered glass. Is it the exact same thing? No. Is it close? I don't know, I don't make auto glass windows. They appear to be almost the same thickness. I'm going to insert a picture here of what my car window glass looks like, the edge of it, compared to the Pyrex glass plate that I'll be using to break, which is this. Nice, hard, sturdy. I'm not a glass expert, but this is just a nice Pyrex plate. It's tempered, it seems pretty hard, as you should always do when breaking glass. Safety first. Cool. All right, safety glasses are on, tool is coming out. We're just gonna take a stab at it. Or, I don't know what this is called. We're gonna. Fun experiment. Go science. Next on the agenda, we are going to be testing the seatbelt cutter. No, this is not my car's actual seatbelt. Yes, it is made out of the same material that my car's actual seatbelt is made out of. I've got myself pretty secured in here. As I said before, this is the StatGear Auto Rescue Tool, and we've got our seatbelt cutter right here. So we're just gonna give her a whirl. That was relatively easy. I've never cut a seatbelt, so I have no previous experience to compare it to, but it was easier than I expected it to be. All right, well that worked well. Window breaker breaks, seatbelt cutter cuts. I'm a firm believer that everyone needs a great auto rescue tool, so go check out StatGear, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.